Welcome everyone to London Tech Leaders. So London Tech Leaders is a peer-to-peer networking platform. WeShape is a DevOps cloud native software and data partner. WeShape Tech Pathway, all around underrepresented areas.
Uptime Labs is a platform where IT individuals and teams can practice outage and degradation response effectively.
So I created Loop Not Luck to make it as easy as possible for businesses to be able to connect with diverse communities and pools of talent.
So we're talking tonight about disruptive and emerging technology.
So hi, I'm Steve. I'm the CTO at Form 3. I'm also the only person wearing the official company t-shirt tonight. So, actually, disruptive, it doesn't need to be kind of blue sky thinking. It's really about, can we deliver new technology, new value, ultimately to the end customers.
Hi everyone, I'm Yasmin. Nice to be here. Thank you for having me. So I work at a company called Impala. I'm the product director there. There's definitely many industries there where disruptive doesn't necessarily mean the next, amazing, sexy thing. But for us, it truly means like that speed to connection that allows people to get to market quicker, basically.
Yeah, so I'm Jason. I'm Chief of Product at Tracer. Tracer is a blockchain-enabled platform that works with AI and machine learning to, essentially our aim is to track all the world's diamonds from mine to finger. We're about evolution, not revolution, but it's still, in my mind, it's disruption in the sense that we are taking people on a big journey.
So I'm Frankie, I'm the head of the 10x Supercore. So just to describe a little bit what the Supercore is. So we're a cloud-native banking platform. My version of disruption is if I can create a bank and deploy it and run it for less than £10 million a year, that's 100x greater than what banks can do today, and I think that's pretty disruptive.
How do you develop a business case for funding a new disruptive product without the recurring revenue up front?
I think you're going to have to be more practical, and what I'm hearing is what that means in practical terms is a demonstrable, clear path to revenue within 1 to 2 years.
I've been in companies where product market fit has taken 6 months. I've been in companies where it's taken 3 years.
I think discipline, like I said, just old school business principles are so critical, and then when you're choosing investors, choose wisely.
The real thing about angel investors is finding someone who understands the problem.
Does the panel have any particular tips for addressing the challenges of recruitment and also retention when we're in a very competitive market for a small number of people who have the skills to use these new technologies?
They just want to have fun and be excited and do something that is going to look great on their story of their life.
If you're in a place that the mission isn't that exciting, they're likely going to leave anyway.
One of the quickest things that you can do to advance your talent and your product and everything that you do is get teams that have already worked together.
How do we ensure that disruptive emerging tech is inclusive, it's accessible, it's safe, and it's done responsibly?
It's really on us, the people who are building it, to ensure that these things are ethical.
If you compare data centers to the cloud in terms of environmental footprint, at least the headline figures, I haven't dug too deeply yet, I must admit, but the headline figures are much better on the cloud.
We're going to play a game of how many people can we get safely into a lift. It may take some time to get everyone upstairs, but before we do that, can we say a massive thank you to our panel, Steve, Yaz, Jason and Frankie.